Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Baby Boy. And in this episode we're going to be going over the Billy, or the Hillbilly. We're going to be using his 3 teachable perks, and also NOED. So yeah, let's get into showing you his teachable perks. So first off, he has Tinker. Basically, if a generator goes past 70%, we'll hear a noise, and I will be undetectable for 14 seconds, which is pretty good. And then Enduring basically reduces the duration of a pallet stun. Pretty good. And we got Lightborn, which means you can't be blinded by flashlights, blast wine, firecrackers, flashbangs. If they attempt to blind you, their aura is revealed for 8 seconds, so that's a plus. And then NOED, just because we're toxic as fuck. But we won't be running any add-ons for these 2 games, I think. Then we'll try something really toxic with the last game, maybe. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, we got Wretched Shop. I don't know how this is for Billy, but I have not played Billy. I played him once, I believe.
Suck.
Oh, I missed that? Are you serious? Okay. Okay, I need to figure out what the hell I'm doing. Should not go, really? I don't know what your point there was. Oops. Jesus, man, that recovery is hard. I'm gonna get you. Oh, sinkers. There you are. Feels so slow for some reason.
Hello?
Okay.
I'm kind of retarded.
Oh, I'm very bad. Okay, thank you. Guys, you're just giving me free hits over here. Come on. What the fuck?
Nice.
Jesus Christ. Just running into fucking everything now. I cannot hit anything, man.
Go crazy! Go stupid!
Everybody's being hooked on the same hook. Jesus Christ. This gen's about to get finished, I can hear it. Fuck! Hello, you.
You stupid.
Nice lunge, Cameron. Got her ass. I'll fucking drop her, I don't give a shit. You can't turn for shit over here. Oh, what the hell? Nice. Little mind game there, boy.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Delete this.
Hey, boss.
Oh, my terrorists. You can hear me, could you? Nice. Okay, even cooler. Come on, really, guys? Nice. Oh, she had deliverance. I see. Healing herself? Did you just self-care? I see scratch marks? Oh, shit. Damn it. No, no, I'm not gonna be able to chainsaw over here. I wasn't watching the meter. It is so hard to control him, man. Interesting. I just want to get a chainsaw kill, come on. Please, please. I'm just too bad. I can't do it.
Dumbass motherfucker.
I overheated. Sweet. I can't even get this. Getting that. You're trash. I'm trash. There we go, boys. That's how it's done. Oh. God, I am so bad. Just roast me. Roast me in the comments. I don't give a shit.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, dang, I see you. Then hit it. There we are.
Let's go.
Oh, unbreakable, I see. I don't get it. Does my sensitivity have to be higher or something? Oh, hey, bud. You're not that fast.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Yoink, ya. There were no hooks over there. Boom. That's how it's done. Well, perfect. Probably won't use our chainsaw as much, considering we had I would say a little too much success with it last game. We might just, you know, hit people with our. Oh, hey, Bill. I'm really bad. Somebody?
Bruh.
It is. You dumbass. I saw your little red medkit there. That's you.
Wait a minute.
Oh, nice. Thank you, boss. Okay. What kind of pallet is that? Why is it angled like that? How was that? Cool of you. Do they notice that I'm not good at my chainsaw?
Yep.
Good lord, just kill me. Just literally fucking kill me. Very cool. Balance? Oh. Oh, nice dead hard. Thank you. Yep, that one's done. There you are, bud. Cool. Very fucking cool. Oh shit. Oh, I know it. That's right. I totally forgot.
I'm kind of retarded.
I was being cheap. Yep, very cool. Nice, that hard? What? Cool. Cool.
Plop.
Nice.
Are you sure about that?
Which one to leave? I'll pick you up.
Finish him.
Don't you want to be a little cocksucker? Okay, so what we're gonna do for this one is we're gonna put on low pro chains so we can break through the pallets with our chainsaw, and spike boots because I cannot move or steer at all to save my life. So yeah, we're only gonna put these add-ons on, and yeah, we'll get into the next match. Oh fuck. Okay, that's fine. Well, according to logic, with these add-ons, we can't possibly lose. It's impossible.
What the fuck?
Corner, you dumb shit. Yep. What is going on here? Nice. Hey there, bud.
Yeah, boy.
Okay. Interesting. Put down the god palette immediately, huh? I'll head over to this one, huh?
Stay back, I got a chainsaw.
Oh, gosh.
Damn it. Why can I not hit anybody with that? I can't do it. I literally cannot. How close do I have to be? There we go. Jesus Christ, man. Nice. You the same guy. What was that?
Hey, bitch. What's up, bitch? Suck my dick, bitch.
There, bud. Nice. I don't know how that doesn't hit. What am I doing wrong?
You stupid.
I'm so confused. Am I using him wrong? That's what they're working on. Nice. There we are. Man, I'll come get you too, boy. Nice. Very bad idea. We can risk it. He might have decisive. Nah. Put his ass in the basement.
No, don't do it!
Hello?
Really? I'm stupid? What, you would think I'm a stupid or something?
Bruh.
Nice, Cameron. I lost her scent. Nope. Oh, is she above me? She is. She just jumped.
I am going to commit suicide.
What the hell was that? Well, I'm gonna get you. Hello. This is good. This is fun. It works. It really works. You were over here, girl, right?
I got you, fam.
Oh, I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. Oh no, I fucked that up. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for our baby boy Hillbilly. At the beginning you saw it was a little rough, we were kind of fucking stupid, but you know, towards the end we got a little bit better. We learned how to use our chainsaw a little bit more efficiently, but we're still babies at it. I don't think we improved at all, but that was definitely fun to play a new killer like this. Yeah, so the next one we're going to be doing is Colette. And yeah, I can't wait to be the self-caring asshole everybody hates. So yeah, till then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
And then I